Good morning, everyone. All right, well, let's get this show on the road. Welcome to Pathfinders online training.
And on slide 3, this is us on the first day. And you can see we've kind of got a smattering of people from all over.
Hey, everybody. Hopefully you're all ready to roll up your sleeves and do some work this week. So that completes a Mission 3 light show mission. So for Mission 4, we are going to dive into the display.
When the doors close, it's my classroom, and they all know once they're my student for life.
Practice doing some debugging. And with that, I think we fixed everything.
It's just a real brief touch on how you might use AI. You may have used AI similarly in other facets of life, but I encourage you to apply that to your coding as well. Let's head on to Mission 5, Micro Musician. So that's it. That takes us through our Micro Musician. You did it. You completed Mission 6, Heartbeat Mission. And
with some more exciting cross-curricular type things, what else can you do with the codex? Come up with your own remix. And then with just a few minutes to spare, that's a wrap. Everybody have a great day.
all I can say is good luck.
Hey, David, I primed them and said that they're supposed to laugh at your jokes.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Yeah.
Tough crowd sometimes, is magnificent. And everyone's like, yeah, I think I'll turn my video off now.